Yeah, so welcome back, guys. Today we are going to change the Ventildeckeldichtung on my 190e. And yeah, the car's already there in my tiny little garage. As you can see right here. In Mannheim, we have the sun. So I'll be prepared to get my hands on this car. And just to make sure you guys know, it was leaking right here in the back. You can see a little just there on this point. Yeah, so stay tuned. First and foremost, we have to take off this thing right here in order to get our hands on this side. You can see that bolt right there in the top right corner. And now I think I can pick it up. Perfect. And then we have these 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this should be the last bolt right here. And then we should be able to take this off. And take this off. Oh shit. Another try. So I got this unplugged. In the back we still have one more bolt left on the left side. Okay. So now we should be able to take the air conditioner or whatever that is supposed to mean in English. We can take this thing off. There it is. It's coming to us. Perfect. So now we are taking off the cables that go into the burning area. Yeah, I already took some numbers in order to get them perfectly aligned later on. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So now we are very close to the valve cover gasket. We just have to unlock this bolt, and one more bolt in the back. And on this side there are only 2 bolts, right here in the front and also in the back. Click, and there you go. So now it's very important to be sure to get the bolt and make sure that it's not falling down. Yeah, perfect. Click. Perfect. So now it's finally time. Come on. And there it is. And first I have to clean the area right now in order to put on the new valve cover gasket. So now I have to clean the header and put on the new valve cover gasket, and of course it's original, and I'll also recommend you guys to always put on original stuff. I'm bringing on the new gasket. And I'm also going to put on a little bit of universal sealing in order to protect especially those places. Putting back on the valve head. So now we have the washers and we start with them. And we have to torque them with 15 Newton meters. Then we have to get 3 and 2.
Number 2. Awesome, awesome.
And then last but not least, we have to get number 1 into there as well. Perfect. And now we plug them back in. Now we put back on this fucking thing right here. Because it's fucking hard to put back on in a certain fucking good position, right?
It's almost impossible to put this back on in the right position.
We put on the cable connector in the back. Perfect. So now connect the channel and connect this channel right here to get back on the clips. So right now I'm gonna get the keys and start the engine. So now let's check live on cam if everything is working. The first try was already a failure, so let's hope for the second. Alright, so the engine is running in its own way. It sounds good. I can see no leaks or something. The engine is running fluently. So let's hope in the next couple of kilometers the engine is not going to leak in a certain way, and yeah, that's basically it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys.